How to archive an app on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. Then, tap on the Settings icon. Now in Settings, we then scroll down and tap on Apps. Next, open up an app that you would like to archive. Here, tap on the Archive button. And that's it. Now the app has been archived. So what does archive do? On Android, archiving an app means the app is partially uninstalled to free up storage space, but your personal data in the app icon remain intact. Here's what's happening when you archive an app. So it removes unused parts of the app to save space. It keeps the app data and login info, and it leaves the app icon visible on your home screen or in the app drawer. And it allows easy reinstallation. You just tap on the icon to restore the app from the Play Store or from here. So if you want, you can simply just go back in here and tap on the restore button, or you can restore it from the Play Store. So here, if we scroll down and tap on messages, we can tap on the restore button to restore it. Now it may take some time, and that's it. So here I will archive it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.